See, Akila play and then fling up something in her ear.
No, I didn't fling it.
Akila.
No, Akila.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? It's been a while, right? Yeah, well, today I'm over here bored. You know the saying what them always said, the devil find work, the eyeglass. I think that is one of those cases right now. Because I'm bored, I'm gonna find some work. Probably it's the devil, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna be pranking my neighbor today. She's outside washing right now, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to do a prank on her. So I'm gonna get our daughter involved, our big daughter. So we're gonna do the broken TV screen prank on her. So she has no clue what's going on, and I don't know if you watch the video. Kids say the darnest thing, Abby. So that's Abby's mom, but Abby's not gonna be included in this video. Why? Because Abby can't keep a secret. Abby chat too much, so we can't involve in the prank here. So she's actually going to get pranked in the process as well. So it's two prank in one. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there right now because she literally lives right beside me. As I go outside, I'm literally like 2 walks away from being over her house. So she's outside washing, so I'm just gonna go over there and I'm gonna get Akilia, our big daughter, in on the prank, and our the grandmother is also in on the prank. So the only persons that are not in on the prank is Abby and her mom. So this should be interesting, so just stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed as yet, and yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe also. So take care guys, and just wait, hold on a second, hold on 1 minute, make we just get to the prank. So she lives right there, so she's not far away, right beside me. So we're gonna get the ball rolling guys. Let's get the prank going. She's outside washing. Let me see if I can. So she's outside washing right now, so she will not expect it. This is going to be a shocker for her because she has no clue what's going to be going on the inside. So stay tuned. Shakum. Abby?
Is that joke? Look, that time is on Super Saiyan.
Sling something.
Listen.
See, Akila play and then fling up something in her ear.
No, I didn't fling it.
Akila.
No, Akila, put it on, mommy. Mommy, Akila.
Akila.
Sit on the bed, give me. Mommy. And then when the old man I was trying not to laugh. Oh
God.
Back. Oh, my massive.
Abby?
Yes.
I'm gonna tell Abby, Abby would I get ready? Abby would I get ready?
It's a prank. Akila come to me and say, Mom, you think I joke? I'm a cut this over the ear, Mom. I said, not at all. Mr. Hot the TV broke her mom now for here. Then broke the TV. Mr. Come with it, man.
Ready for me, Tommy?
That's what I keep on getting.
Then they say 2 of them. So we have a beat one.
2 of them are getting a while ago.
I 2 of them.